This pizza oven is honestly the coolest. It's good for indoors and outdoors. Now let me tell you a few tips and tricks on using this. First off, you can see it's pretty large, so you're gonna need some space to put it. If you've got a smaller kitchen with not a lot of space to put this away, or countertop, it's not gonna be as good for you. You need some space. Also, because it is warming, you're gonna need to have like 4 to 6 inches around every single side, even 12 inches on some sides, so that you're not going to be burning anything around it. So make sure you have some space for this. It has a double paned glass door, and then it also comes with a pizza stone that's already inside here. And it comes with this cute little pizza thing, right, so you can slide your pizzas in. Now, some features about this is you have time and temperature adjustments, and it has a few different settings for you for the type of pizza you want to make. So to get started, you're just going to press the power button, and you can see it powers on. And then I'm going to press this mode button here, and then it allows me to choose my mode. So I can do manual, Neapolitan, thin crust, pan pizza, New York, or frozen. Today I've got a frozen pizza here. So I'm just gonna tap until I get to frozen. And it goes ahead and gives me the temperature settings it suggests for that type of pizza. So it actually has dual heaters, so that it has a top zone and a bottom zone. As you can see, the top zone and bottom zones are different temperatures, which means it makes it so easy to make sure you're not gonna burn your pizza and it's gonna come out tasting really great. And then it also gives a suggested time when you're in the specific mode. So here it says 16 minutes, but I could adjust the time with the time button and the up and down. You can see it's flashing, that's how we know. And then I could also adjust the temperature if I wanted to by just hitting the temperature button and then adjusting up or down as well. So you can see that it's so incredibly easy to use. And because this is an LED screen, which is really nice, it just means you're probably gonna see it flickering in the camera, but it doesn't actually flicker in real life here. Now, as far as the temperatures go, you can get this oven as hot as 800 some degrees and as cool as 100 something degrees. So there's a wide range here, and same with the time. You can go as little as a minute all the way up to an hour. So there's so much versatility with usage for this. So let's go ahead and pop the pizza in and see how it looks after it's finished baking. All right, so my pizza is done cooking, and here's a few things that I learned as I've been cooking my pizza. So when it's preheating, it'll go beep, 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 beep when it's finished preheating, and you actually have to hit start to get it going, to get the timer started after the preheat. So you're gonna wanna stick around and make sure you listen for that, because it's not just going to start cooking, right? You have to make sure that you hit start to get the timer going. Also, when it's done cooking, it's gonna beep not as long as it does after it's finished preheating, and even though it finishes the timer, it keeps cooking. So you really have to be around and watch it, or set a timer on your phone or something if you leave the room, because I happened to overcook my pizza a little bit because I didn't hear the beeping and it continued to cook. So all to do with this turn it off is just press this power button here, and you can see that it's turned off, but still actually running. You don't just want to unplug it right away because it is so hot, right? Mine's cooking at 470 degrees that you're gonna want the whole thing to cool off. So you just need to wait until the fan is finished running, and then you'll be able to put it away after it's done and finally finished cooling. So this is a really great gift for any pizza lovers, or if you are just a cooking enthusiast, this is a really fun gadget for your kitchen.